In this video, we have another Bitcoin decision time. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, today ang dami nating kailangang pag-usapan with the latest Bitcoin price action, as right now we are monitoring a lot of things. Number one, it is this MACD. Number two, this shorter time frame na movement. And then number three, it's how are we going to pan out with the Bitcoin price action right now. So let's start first with the short-term price action. So short-term price action, as you can see, diba, we have been following this ascending channel na nga for quite some time na nga. And right now, as you can see, if you're going to zoom out, we are now about to hit the resistance dito ni Bitcoin. And at the same time, as you can see, if you're going to zoom in, let's remove these lines lang. Ayun, if you're going to zoom in, you can see na we are starting to break to the downside. So right now, it's looking like it's potentially the time na para mag-open ng short position. Personally, I have opened a short position na nga dito upon this breakout. And right now, we are going to monitor if we are going to hit our first target, which is going to be 75,000 US dollars, roughly around this area. That's the first target. Then the next target is going to be 73,000. Then fourth target is going to be around the 70,000 US dollars. So we are going to monitor this within the next few hours if this is going to pan out for the short term. Stop loss, I have placed my stop loss roughly around the 78,200 US dollar, around this area. So right now, yung short position ko, that is what I am currently doing dito with the Bitcoin price action right now. So this is the Bitcoin decision time na what I've been saying, if magkakaroon na ba tayo ng finally ng breakdown dito from the ascending channel. Kasi traditionally, ascending channel is a bearish pattern to the downside. So right now, that is what we are currently monitoring. Then on top of that, 'di ba, sa MACD, nagkaroon na tayo ng bullish cross in the weekly time frame. But just like what I've told you guys, sa previous time na nangyari yan, after ng bullish cross sa MACD, Bitcoin showed a one last push to the downside. So the question is, are we going to see that one last push to the downside? So that is what we are expecting dito with the Bitcoin price action, especially sa MACD. And as you can see, this is clear naman dito sa shorter time frame na that could be potentially the move na we have been waiting for. And then on top of this, as you can see, sa bigger time frame, you would find that we are still following this ascending channel na forming. So right now, the question is, are we now going to get rejected dito, then finally follow itong target na to, which is the bottom of this channel or yung support area nitong channel. So that is what we are currently monitoring dito. And take note guys, we have actually a Apple Watch SE giveaway. So if hindi pa kayo nakakapag-join dito, make sure to check out our sign up link dito sa description down below. And yeah, very fun to guys if kahit paano makakapagpanalo kayo ng Apple Watch SE. And as you can see, konti pa lang yung nag-sign up. So ang laki ng chance nyo para manalo dito. So make sure to check this one out. And take note guys, yung mga buy orders ko for Bitcoin, I have opened that kay Bybit. So if hindi pa kayo nakapag-trade with Bybit, make sure to trade this now with Bybit. Yung mga long-term long position ko, nakaset na ako ng orders around 70 and 74,000 US dollars. So andun yung mga long-term long position ko na buy orders. Then if lever na bumagsak to dito si Bitcoin pababa, magdadagdag lang ako ng long position dito. So that is what I am currently doing with the Bitcoin price action kay Bybit. And then yung short-term short position naman, this one, I am currently trading this kay Wix. So make sure to sign up with my sign up links if wala pa kayong account with those sign up links. But anyway, yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.